Alright, day 6. We are out here in Skagway, Alaska. We decided to do some hiking. We started from the bottom, now we're here, and we can't get down. There's one way down off this cliff. That's not happening. So we are taking pictures, then we're gonna turn around and hopefully find our way down because we want some lunch. Yeah. It's a long way down, y'all.
Oh, I'm not gonna look down.
Not about that life.
I'm hugging way harder than now that I look down.
I will keep my feet planted right there.
Alright, come on.
Talking about my girl. Alright, y'all, we are here. It's day 6. We're on the way to, where are we on the way to? Anchorage. Seward. And Captain decided to take a quick pit stop to check out Hubbard glaciers / icebergs. They're pretty sweet. Everybody's out here taking pictures and videos. Check it out. Starts over here. Awesome.
Right up at the leading edge here of the glacier. By the way, look over there about 1 or 2 o'clock. Look at those pillars of blue ice standing vertically over there.
Number 8, we are disembarking the cruise ship. Well, we're here in Seward. We're headed on a bus over yonder. I don't know what we're doing after that, but yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We are about to get on the bus, take a nap. Did not have a good night's sleep. A lot of banging and clanking and rough riding. I don't know what was going on. We'll see you guys in a bit. Later. Alright, y'all, we are here in Anchorage, Alaska, and I am extremely full. I ate a pulled pork sandwich, Caesar salad, jalapeno cornbread. It was so good, y'all missed out. One thing I like about this town, all the Subarus that are here, I appreciate that. Give it a thumbs up. Take the bus up to Talkeetna, something like that. Probably gonna go to sleep, food coma, definitely what I'm feeling right now. See y'all when we get there. Peace. We are back again here in Talkeetna. We are here in Talkeetna. Am I saying it right? Talkeetna, yes.
Hey!
That's right. What we see in front of us, what was formerly called Mount Mckinley, now called Denali. It's the most amazing sight you will see. It's about 20,000 feet tall. Looks like it's floating in the air because of where the cloud layer is. Pretty sweet. You're probably asking, what are you doing in the middle of the road? Well, we're actually on the side of the road, walking to downtown Talkeetna to do some stuff. I'm getting bit, per the usual, by mosquitoes.
Yeah, mosquitoes!
All right, y'all. Later.
Yeah, we were talking about that.
That's a video. Weirdo.
We are out here at dinner at the Denali Brewing Company, and we are gonna split our meal. This ribeye pretzel thing. We're splitting our drink. Well, we got the same drinks. We're splitting our appetizers, saving room for ice cream.
Yay!
Day 8. We are on the bus traveling to Denali National Park. The sun did not go down at all last night. It stayed up till about today, and where's my hype man? I'm supposed to be hyping it up. Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Hooray! Hooray! Alaska here to stay. Hooray! Hooray! And now
Alright, we are here in Denali National Park doing a little trail before we go on our tour, and we decided to stop by the river that's coming down.
I'm the hype person now.
Okay. Google told me it would be 50 degrees out. That's false. It is like 70s. And we're wearing long sleeves. This water is awesome. Kind of want to just like run through it.
I got a piece of quartz. I don't see, sometimes actually a lot of gold comes up as powder. That's pyrite right there.
Hey, fake gold. Or the pyrite, the fake gold. All right, y'all, see you in a bit. All right, here we go, y'all. We are back again. We just got done eating some dinner. We are about to do a little bit of hiking and check out this one spot.
One spot?
Shh, we're gonna fly the drone out there. Don't tell anybody. Yeah. There are enemies afoot. They've been all over the place. Every time I capture something good, they come over. You can't do that. Oh, duh. It's like, where's my phone at? It's right here. Freaked out for a second. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, so we're out here. Just found a porcupine. Don't want to get stabbed by him. No. So we're just kind of hanging out until he crosses. Morning, y'all. Day 9. We are up early again, and we are doing ATV. John is waiting. John is somewhere over there waiting in line for breakfast sandwich. We're gonna go ATVing, and then we're riding on a train for a majority of the day. Taking a bus to the train, and then training back to Anchorage. Yep, that's it. All right, we are out here in the ATV, and Lauren is driving. Big road so far, it's very dusty. We are having a good time. All right, we are out here ATVing in Denali. Never know if you don't go. You never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All the glitters is gone.
Take pictures of the side.
Only shooting stars break the mold. Yes. All right, we are here at the train. We're about to take the train up to Talkeetna, maybe down to Talkeetna.
Talkeetna.
And from there, we're gonna take a bus to Anchorage.
Anchorage.
We're gonna pour some shots. Katie's gonna have 3. I'm just kidding.
3.
Katie's gonna knock out as soon as we get on there. 4 hours train ride. And then
more naps.
More naps. All right, y'all. See you in a bit. What am I doing, you ask? Watching my new friends play euchre. This dude knows what's up.
Men's room.
Alright, we're on the bus back to Anchorage. Just about everyone is asleep on the bus. I just woke up from a nap as well. The train ride was fun. Thumbs up. We are headed back to Anchorage to hang out downtown. Alright, John. See you later. Peace.
Did you see that
Alright, I think today is day 11. I lost track of days. Here in Anchorage, so we gotta take our flight back home. We're walking on the trail right now. John! And then we're gonna do an escape room. Should be a lot of fun.
Unless we can't get out, we'll miss our flight.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah, once we can.
If you're gonna bring a stuffed animal with you, as a 12-year-old, it should be in your luggage, not on your carry-on.
One stuffed animal.
Right. All right, guys, we are crossing the street like Frogger here.
Like Frogger.
Ribbit.
Like Frogger. We are headed to an escape room. The Locke Lewis family is gonna get locked in a room, for an hour and try to escape using our minds and our eyes and our ears and whatever.
What happens if there's a fire?
We gotta figure out how to get the fire out to get out. All right, see you guys afterwards, later. All right, guys, we did it. We solved the escape room, and we made 2 friends from Wisconsin. We had 9 minutes, 13 seconds left. We rescued the girl, and we rescued ourselves. Girl, saved.
We weren't gonna save her.
Yeah, we
All right, y'all, back again. We are here at the airport, Anchorage International Airport. We are about to fly home.
I was in the middle of a yawn.
We're gonna be sleeping on the plane. Hopefully we can lean back, get some combos.
We're about to check in and do all this stuff, and then wait in the line. All right, ending the vacation on the airport, getting ready to fly back home. Chicago, get home around 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's been a fun trip. Ate a lot. Go back to being right. Sorry. Wednesday. That was been fun. I can't wait to see this video. Salut.